Python function attributes, uses and abuses. Not many are aware of this feature, but Python's functions and methods can have attributes. Behold. What are the possible uses and abuses of this feature in Python? One good use I'm aware of is Ply's usage of the docstring to associate a syntax rule with a method. But what about custom attributes? Are there good reasons to use them?
I typically use function attributes as storage for annotations. Suppose I want to write, in the style of C#, indicating that a certain method should be part of the web service interface. Then I can define. Then, when a web service call arrives, I look up the method, check whether the underlying function has the is_web method attribute, the actual value is irrelevant, and refuse the service if the method is absent or not meant to be called over the web.
I've used them as static variables for a function. For example, given the following C code, I can implement the function similarly in Python. This would definitely fall into the abuses end of the spectrum.
Function attributes can be used to write lightweight closures that wrap code and associated data together. One 1.009340047884. 2.006443977736. 3.015934944415.
You can do objects the JavaScript way. It makes no sense, but it works. Winky face.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.